Welcome to Pixeltech Security Private Limited, your one-stop solution for electronic digital security solutions.
Electrical cabinets are high risk for potential fire. Data shows that 75% of all fires start as electrical fires. Critical zones like high voltage connections, switches, and transformers need extra protection. Fire detect systems are installed inside electrical cabinets, closer to where fire starts. Its linear pneumatic sensor tubing is installed directly above critical zone circuitry, so it can detect and suppress a fire faster than conventional external systems and minimize disruption. Here, we demonstrate an electrical fire starting in 3 zones at the same time. Fire causes the pressurized sensor tube to burst at about 110 degrees Celsius. This triggers the immediate discharge of extinguishing agent that rushes out the nozzle at the top of the cabinet and floods the cabinet. The fire is out only 12 seconds after it started. Damage is minimal. An electrician can quickly replace the damaged components and put the equipment back in service.
Thank you.